Princess?
Oh,
What
do you
you
know
got in
the
there,
small
Princess?
thread? Do you know the small thread?
Okay,
That's for the
Ava.
small. Mama, do you
That's
know? Oh, do you know
right.
the small thread is for the
Hmm?
small holes? The
Yeah,
small
that's
thread
right.
is for the small holes.
Mm. Let me see what you got in here. Oh, look at all the trolls.
The names.
Okay.
Mama, can you help me with mine?
Hold on, buddy. Oh, look at all the
Mama,
straws.
help me. Mama.
Look at all the straws.
Next one is brunch.
Branch. That's branch. Okay. And the next one.
This one is DJ Sky
Okay.
because it has headphones.
Okay, you can open it now.
This one is Puppy.
Puppy. Alright. Mike.
Mama, I'm gonna get the last one.
No more. There's only
No.
3.
We're going to open them.
Okay.
Yay! You wanna open this one? No, it's too difficult. Because that works. Let me.
Wow, look at that. Is that branch?
Brunch is a boy.
Branch is a boy. They're cute. The trolls. It's hard to
Sissy,
open.
one is them a rainbow. One's them a rainbow.
Hello, look at that, Mike. Sissy. That's what Mikey wished that he will have. May I see?
It's brunch.
Oh, that's cute. Wow, look at the hair, Mike. What a hair.
See what the feet do, Mama.
What a
See?
hair.
They go up and down.
I know.
This is the hair stuff, Mama. Feel it.
Mhm.
Feel it.
Oh, it's soft. May I see, Angel? Oh,
This
look
one
at
is
them.
DJ Sky.
Hello.
Because
oh
it has headphones.
Oh, that's cute, Angel.
It's DJ Sky because it has headphones.
Wow, I like the hair. It's so cute.
You love this one.
Hold on, buddy.
Feel the hair. It feels different than this
Oh,
one.
it's so cute.
Last one.
Look at that hair.
is Puppy.
Hello, look at the
So
pink
that
hair,
one's named Puppy.
Oh my goodness.
Is
it's
that
so
pink and lime green?
I know, that's my favorite color, Mike. Oh, let's put them together. Oh,
Mine is supposed to be fresh. And yours is supposed
look at them, so cute.
No, mine. Mike, stop it.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, Mike. Put them together.
But Mama, I footing my pants yet.
I will.
Oh, just foot my pants now.
I like the hair, Sissy.
Mama, I
Look
need
at
you
the
to foot
pink
my
hair.
pants.
I will, buddy.
I'm gonna foot my pants.
Look at the hair.
Mama, what about we get this cereal all the time? When
Yeah.
we run out of it. Then we'll have new ones and sometimes the same.
Mhm.
But I want the different ones.
They're cute.
I think Mike wants the giant
Oh, may I
one.
see the carton? See, we got it inside the cereal
Which one do
box.
you want?
So we got
This
the
one?
tree.
Mhm.
We got the
Because
tree,
it has-
Sissy.
Because it has
We
a
got
different
the trolls.
I was talking about that one.
It's nice, Sissy.
I wanted Mama to have the rainbow one. Mama,
Yeah, it's from the Cheerios.
Mama, I wanted you to have the rainbow. Look, it's her again.
Hmm. So like this.
To show Dad.
Oh, and Daddy's outside. They're cute. They're cute,
It's
buddy,
like
huh?
in the...
They're cute, buddy.
That has hair.
She has a nice hair.
Why
buddy.
does that have hair?
She has a very nice hair, buddy. Oh.
Why does that have hair?
I don't know.
That's hair.
I like the pink hair. And look at this orange hair, Mike. And look at him. Look at that hair.
Why does this one have one of these pink things on the hair?
Oh,
and
look
this
at their
one
hair.
doesn't. This is supposed to have like a clip hair thing. See? Mama?
Hmm?
See? It's supposed to have like a...
Oh, you can decorate her hair like that. Yeah, you can just decorate her hair. Look, babe, they're so cute. Look,
They got some hairy heads.
they're so cute.
Check them out, Mike. You can keep changing their hairstyle too.
No, it's so cute.
Do one with a V. Make them a V.
She's even be lime green and pink, my favorite color.
Mama, can you put my pants now?
I will. Hold on, sweetie. Hold on a minute. It's so cute, Sissy. Okay. Mike, look at their hair, Mike. Look at this hair.
Mama, are you even gonna thread my pants yet?
I will, sweetie.
Red. Your turn.
Diba, be careful because
Mine is supposed to be straight up.
okay.
See? That one is having the hair straight up. So my hair's supposed to be like this. So that's... That one looks just the same. Oh, it is the same. Here. So she made them the same.
They're cute.
Hers is like a